fun part right there. Oh, look at these pretty girls on the left. Give them a quacking away.
Not drive hard. I laugh. We're on a duck boat. Well, we're on a car to a boat. And it's called a duck boat.
Alrighty, boys and girls. Very good job, by the way. But you know, I'm going to go ahead and start telling you all about Austin. Now, back in 1859, Austin began. A judge by the name of Edwin Waller did the layout of Austin, and he also named all these streets. But he named all the numbered streets running east and west after trees that grow in Texas. Now, 7th Street, though, was Bodiac, and I do know that is a French word, but I think the French brought that tree, and that made it the Texas tree after that. But all the streets running north and south here, like Trinity, these are named after rivers that flow through Texas, and they actually run through the city in the same order they flow through the state, starting with Red River up there. Bet you didn't know that. But now,